Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muzainatul Hamidia, MPD. Today, I would like to teaching about reading comprehension. Okay, reading comprehension here is about barter. Passage for question number 28 up to 29. In reading comprehension, we can read the text by skimming or scanning. We can read for getting general information or for getting details information. In this text, this passage talking about barter. Barter is a system of exchange by which goods or services are exchanged for other goods or services without using money. The barter system dates back many centuries. In most countries or regions, the barter system has used before money was created. People having specific goods or services to sell would exchange them with others for the things they needed. Barter also replaces money as the system of exchange in times of monetary crisis, such as when the currency may be either unstable or simply unavailable for conducting commerce. Since money varies in value from country to country, bartering is easy to do anywhere in the world. Explorer and pilgrim used the barter system to get the things they needed for their journeys. For instance, explorers exchanged their goods for spices that were not available where they come from. In today's economy, it is sometimes easier to exchange goods or services. What makes the barter system even better today than ever before is that it can now be done globally. In the past, bartering was simply done with those that were located nearby. Nowadays, the barter system can be used in a much more sophisticated way than ever before. However, it carries with is the same basic purpose, exchange of goods or services. The barter system allows someone to negotiate the worth of his or her goods or services in connection with the goods or services that people want. Bartering allows people to get the things they need without having to expend additional. Instead, they can use the goods that they are no longer need or want to get the things they do need. There are web market and online auction that allow them to sell or trade their goods or to purchase goods that they need or want. Negotiation is done just like it was hundreds of years before. The passage mainly discusses selling goods, exchanging services, barter system, and modern economy. Okay. Reading comprehension on CBT English proficiency test. After reading the text, there are several questions about the main idea or other details of a reading implied or explicit with 4 answer choices. Choose the most appropriate answer. Type of question in reading comprehension about the main idea are: the passage mainly discusses blah 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 blah. What is the author primarily concerned with? Blah 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 blah. What is the subject of the passage? What is the text talking about? What is the topic of the passage? Okay, vocabulary. Uh, in this vocabularies, I provided word in English and Indonesia. For example, here exchange. It include noun, penukaran, good, noun, kebaikan, kebajikan, goods, noun, barang-barang, harta, sophisticated, adjektif, rumit. Barter, noun, dagang, tukar-menukar, barter trade, perdagangan, tukar-menukar, sistem, adjektif, susunan. Okay, for English and Indonesia, used menggunakan, needed membutuhkan, replaces menempatkan kembali, unstable tidak stabil, unavailable tidak tersedia, goods barang, services jasa, money uang, centuries abad-abad, countries negara-negara. Okay, for the appropriate answer is barter system. The passage mainly discusses bla 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 bla. Jadi teks ini itu utamanya berdiskusi tentang barter system atau sistem barter. Jadi pertanyaannya itu mengacu pada main idea atau ide pokok. Okay, the next passage is about the energy. The energy produced by star radiate into space as electromagnetic radiation and particle radiation. The particle radiation emitted by a star is manifested as the stellar wind, which is acts as a steady stream of electrically charged particles, such as free proton, alpha particle, and beta particle, emanating from the star's outer layers and as the steady stream of neutrinos emanating from the star's core. The production of energy in the core is the reason why stars shine so brightly. Every time two or more atomic nuclei of one element fuse together to form an atomic nucleus of a new heavier element, gamma ray photons are released from the nuclear fusion reaction. This energy is converted to other forms of electromagnetic energy, including visible light, by the time it reaches the star outer layers. The word release in paragraph 2 could best be replaced by blah blah blah, discharged, allowed, issued, and stated. Okay, the appropriate answer is discharged. Nah, jadi arti rilis itu bisa melepaskan. Discharged juga melepaskan. Artinya konteks sebelumnya itu sinar gamma foton yang dilepaskan dari reaksi fusi nuklir. Jadi sinonimnya itu discharged. Type of question in reading comprehension. What is the author main argument? What is the topic of the passage? What is the main idea of paragraph 2? What does paragraph 2 tell about? The word barter most likely means the word they refer to. Jadi ini merupakan tipe-tipe pertanyaan dalam reading comprehension jika pertanyaannya itu mengarah kepada main idea atau ide pokok dalam suatu passage atau teks. Maksudnya di sini apa argumen utama penulis atau apa topik dari teks tersebut atau apa ide pokok dari paragraf kedua. Paragraf kedua bercerita tentang apa atau kata barter paling mungkin berarti titik-titik. Kata they merujuk kepada atau menunjuk kepada titik-titik. Okay, thank you very much for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.